Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You like how this 66 Mustang looks? Well, you would absolutely love how it drives. 347 stroker motor with about 425 horsepower, Tremec 5-speed, a Curry Posi rear end, 4-wheel disc brakes, and an upgraded Total Control Products suspension. The thing handles great. It's got giddy up and go. Just a great car. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study about 100 pictures. And that's where you find the prices on all of the collector cars that we offer for sale. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, top is down. Join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I took this car home and fantastic. Our mechanics don't have to do a thing to this car. It just handled flawlessly for me. And underneath is completely new suspension with some really nice upgrades. When I say new, I mean the front end components look new, not just the bushings, but all the components, the A-arms, all of it looks new. All the steering controls look new, the shocks, the springs, upgraded sway bar. In back, the leaf springs, all the nuts and bolts, bushings, performance sway bar, and it has air shocks in the back. And what's really cool, it does have a tubular support underneath the motor. It has tubular welded-in frame connectors tying the front frame rails to the rear frame rails. And they have something I've never seen before. There's this tubular center support section that mounts right to that heavy-duty skid plate in the middle. So the tubular frame connectors have a center support section. The transmission mount is a tubular transmission mount, which also goes to the frame rails. That's also going to help tie things in. And believe it or not, this roll bar here is functional. Being a convertible, this prevents body flex. So that's what they're trying to do, is prevent the twisting. And they did a good job with it. You go into a corner and a turn, you can hit it pretty good. It's got a nice custom Flowmaster exhaust system, which you will hear at the end of this video. Fuel system's new. The tank, the sending unit, has an electric fuel pump. The disc brakes at all 4 wheels, so it's completely upgraded brake system, custom emergency brake system. It's all hooked up. What am I missing under there? The floors are rock solid. Really nice, clean floors. The torque boxes, all of it looks nice, clean metal. Doesn't even look like it's been patched up. It looks just nice, clean, original, solid metal to me. The paint, I call it electric blue. It's just a stunning color. The body is absolutely straight. There's no bubbles, blisters. I don't even find a little door ding or a garage dent. It's just smooth, clean metal everywhere. The car fits very nicely. And the paint has really tiny, really tight metal flake. And it's just polished out to look wet, smooth and wet looking. All of the trim was replaced, the bumpers, tail lights, gas cap, antenna, all the moldings, door handles, mirrors on each side. That's all been replaced. 15-inch torque thrust wheels with some nice BF Goodrich tires on there. The windshield is new. And you can look at our pictures. The convertible top, it's a power top, works great, doesn't interfere with the roll bar, and it's upgraded to the black German cloth material, nice rich looking top. So the windshield's new, wiper arms are nice. It has some custom 347 emblems here instead of the 289. The grille is new. It has H4, those are HID headlights, nice and bright. And the motor, it is a 347 stroker, 425 horsepower, Edelbrock heads, aluminum intake with an Edelbrock carb. It has an electric choke, MSD ignition with a Pro billet distributor, It looks like 9mm blue plug wires. They're all run neatly. Has a set of coated headers, aluminum pulleys with a serpentine belt, a chrome Power Master 1-wire alternator. Has another support bar. This chrome support bar in the engine compartment also helps prevent twist. The door jambs are just as slick as the car. All new weather strips, sill plates. The striker in the door is new. Trunk compartment, I peeled back a little bit, and it's all lined with a Dynamat sound deadener, and it's wall-to-wall carpet with some cut and sewn and bound edges. Under the trunk lid and the jamb are painted slick. The weather strip, the well liner are both replaced, and it even comes with the club. The interior is all redone. Down on the floor, it's got new carpet, got a Hurst shifter sticking out of the floor. I knew I forgot some things underneath. You look up at the motor, it has a chrome oil pan. Motor mounts are new, has a high torque starter, has a Tremec 5-speed transmission with a hydraulic clutch, and in back, it's a new Curry Ford 9-inch. So the whole rear end section is new, when they built the car anyway, with posi gears. The car cruises nicely. It's quick out of first gear, but you click it in that 5th gear and you can just cruise all day long. So getting back to the interior, it's got seat belts for everyone. You can sit in this back seat with the roll bar. It doesn't stop people from sitting in there. It doesn't stop the top from working the way it should. New cushions in the seats, new upholstery, new door panels, new armrests, new handles and cranks, all new dash pad, instrument bezel, glove box door, new steering wheel, the heater controls, the knobs, the ignition switch, all of that's been replaced. Interior lights work, even in the glove box, and it does have a set of white Phantom gauges. There's a tachometer mounted down on the hump. And it has a Mustang retro stereo in there. Getting back in the engine compartment, a couple more things to talk about. New power brake system with a dual master reservoir. Just a lot of new parts. The sending unit, the washer bag is new with a new pump. The squirters are hooked up. The horns work. Keeps cool with an aluminum radiator, aluminum water pump, aluminum overflow bottle, big electric fan. Batteries bolted down properly. Bottom of the hood is painted shiny. And then the engine bay is all nice, clean, smooth metal, painted a semi-gloss black. So I bet you want to hear how it sounds. Why don't we do that right now? Like I said, this car don't need a thing. It's ready for delivery right now. Now watch, it won't start. It's got to be in neutral to start it. How snappy and responsive that is. So like I said in the beginning, if you like how this car looks, you're going to absolutely love how it drives. It's just a blast to drive. This is a Mustang you can put into the corners, you can accelerate and stop, and it'll do whatever you want it to do. And all the while, it tops down, you're having fun. That's my impression of this Mustang. You can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have specific concerns or questions, feel free to ask them. They'll help the best they can. They can also help with financing and delivery. It's at volocars.com. If you like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.